thought I would try this again and just show you a small portion of a painting. I'm going to do these mason jars, ball jars, and in order to start those, I make myself a pattern just on a piece of scrap paper, fold it in half, cut it out until you get the size you want. I had made some smaller ones earlier, so I have two patterns here. A lot of times I'll keep those laying around until I forget and throw them away. The colors that I'm going to use are Deco Art White and Peacock Teal. Two colors to do a jar. So basically, I trace the jar on with chalk. I have a little chalk pencil here that I use, and I'm going to use a wide flat brush, and I'm going to side load the Peacock Teal. I'm trying this from a different angle because apparently I need to do it from this side because I'm right-handed. So I'm going to lay in this color, both sides, kind of squiggle it in on each side. You want the Peacock Teal to be wider than the white is going to be. We're going to go back in with white later. But the Peacock Teal needs to be a wider area than what the white is going to be. So, using clean water and side loading that brush, I'm just going to put in the Peacock Teal. Just to highlight around my chalk lines. Chalk lines will come off later when the painting is dry. I just take a wet paper towel and wipe them off. I'm going to put a little line in there indicating where the bottom of the jar is. And then I'm just going to take pretty much what's left on the brush and brush in some areas, keeping in mind where the jar would roll around on the bottom. So basically you have that look. Then I'm going to go back to this one. And I'm going to take a liner brush, and with the Peacock Teal, I'm just going to write in ball. There are all types of these jars. The fonts tell how much they're worth. The font, the line underneath it, I don't understand it all. So I've got that in there. If you can see that. I think I'll go ahead and put this one in. I realize I don't have but 15 minutes to worth of video on Facebook, or not Facebook, on YouTube. I only have 15 minutes that I can upload. So I tried to do that last night and I ended up with 18 minutes, and then it got real ugly when I had to edit it out because I don't understand editing yet. So then I'm going to take a smaller flat brush. The one I used the first time is a 3/4 inch brush, if you can see that. This, to do the white, I'm going to use a number 12, or a 1/2 inch brush will work. Same thing. And again, I'm going to side load, and I'm just going to do a smaller area with the white. You want to still be able to see the Peacock Teal. The white is basically just a highlight. And I'm not putting that the whole way around. I'm skipping around because the light would catch it just in certain areas. I'm going to put a couple of little sparkles in here. And then I'm going back to the liner brush. I'm going to pick up a little thicker white. I don't want it thinned down too much. And I'm just going to put a little bit of a highlight here and there on the words. And then while I have that white on my brush, I'm going to put just a few little sparkles. Just here and there. And there you have it. There is my one jar. I'll finish the other, and then I'll finish this board. I will post these on my Facebook page, and that is Tolan Treasures. I'll put that in the notes below the video. If you want to follow me on Tolan Treasures, I do a lot of posting of the painting that I do. So thanks for watching.